French news website Mediapart, which published the report about 8.5 crore rupees payment to a Rafale middleman, is run by a French journalist Edouard Plenel, and even a former French president had previously claimed that the French journalist was working for the American Central Intelligence Agency in the 1980s, which confirms that lobbyists of a foreign country is using the French website to lobby against 36 additional Rafale fighter jets deal. The Indian Air Force Chief is scheduled to visit France on 20th April, while Prime Minister Modi will visit France in May 2021, and there is a huge chance that India and France will finalize the purchase of 2 more Rafale squadrons during this meeting. The BJP government has also said that the report in the French website about the alleged financial irregularity in the Rafale deal is due to corporate rivalry. The DRDO has announced that under the Development Cum Production Partner Program, it has allowed private sector firms to develop and produce missile systems such as the vertical launched surface-to-air missile systems. DRDO officials have said that private sector firms have responded very enthusiastically for participation, and bids have been received for the 40 km range VL-SRSAM project. The UP Expressway Industrial Development Authority has signed 2 Memorandum of Understanding with Delta Combat Systems Limited for 500 crore rupees investment under the UP Defence Industrial Corridor, under which Delta Combat Systems will establish a new facility to manufacture modern rifles, man-portable air defence systems and ATGM-equipped combat vehicles, as well as medium refit and overhaul of different types of ammunition. During his ongoing visit to New Delhi, the Russian foreign minister has said that apart from AK-203 rifle, Russia and India are discussing the possibility of additional production of Russian military equipment in India. The head of Rostock Corporation had said last year that Russia had discussed the local manufacturing of S400 components with India, which means that this statement of additional production of Russian military equipment could either be the localization of S400 system or local production of T14 Armata tanks in India. The Chief of Defence Staff visited the INS Kadamba yesterday, during which he was briefed about the ongoing works under Phase 2A of the project Seabird that is expected to end in 2022, after which it will have the capacity to berth 3 aircraft carriers along with few Scorpion-class submarines. After the completion of Phase 2B of the project, INS Kadamba will be able to base 50 frontline warships, and will be the largest naval base in the Eastern Hemisphere. The central government has asked the interested bidders for Bharat Earth Movers Limited to disclose any business ties with China or Pakistan, and the central government is taking this step due to the strategic nature of the firm, which includes manufacturing of Prithvi missile launchers. An Indian Navy warship has arrived at Jubail port of Saudi Arabia, and will participate in a joint exercise with the Navy of the Gulf nation, and both sides are keen to expand maritime cooperation in sync with the overall deepening of defense and security cooperation of the two countries. The Indian Army is planning to conduct a joint exercise with the paramilitary forces including the Indo-Tibetan Border Police in the Ladakh region, that will enhance their synergy in deployment along the China border.
Omar dropped it.